Assalamu alaikum. I am Luqman Qaida and this is Shaykhi Academy. Welcome to a new episode of Quran reading course. This episode will be an introduction to the Arabic alphabet letters or the Quran alphabet. So this episode will answer the 4 questions. The first question is, what is the direction of Arabic language? The second question is, how many shapes of Arabic letters? The third question is Arabic spelling easy or difficult? The fourth question is Arabic sounds have counterparts in English? After finishing this episode, you will understand all these points. So, stay tuned.
Shaykhi Academy.
So this is just to remind you that we are using Al-Minhaj, the Shaykhi Academy book. So let's go into our introduction today. Okay, so now we have the introduction to the Arabic alphabet letters. We can say that this page answers 4 questions. Okay, the first question is, what is the direction of the Arabic language? Or, now if we will write the Arabic words, the Arabic sentence, whatever, the Arabic word, just one word, we will start writing this word from left to right or right to left. This is a very important point. So let's check the answer together through the screen. So as we see, the Arabic is read from right to left. So when we write down any Arabic word, we write it from right to left. So Arabic language is one of the 12 languages that use the right to left scripts. Okay, this is unlike English language or any other language other than these 12 languages. So now if you write down the English word, or if you write down in English, you will start from left to right naturally. But now in Arabic language, you have to change your mindset. When you write in Arabic language, you have to know that you will write from right to left. You will read Arabic language, you have to read from right to left. Yes. So let's take an example here to understand with each other. So let's write down this word. For example, inshallah. Now you noticed that I started this from right to left. I started writing from right to left. Okay. Insha'a. Okay. Inshallah. Okay. Now start reading this word. Okay. If you start from here, from the Hamza, E, now you are right. But if you start from here, Al-Ha, no. Now it's a game over and try again. So the Arabic reading is read from right to left and it's written from right to left. So keep this in your mind to be able to learn Arabic easily. Okay, so now let's move to the second point or second question, which is, what are the shapes of the Arabic letters, or how many shapes of the Arabic letters? This is just an introduction. So let's read the answer. Okay, so almost all the letters in an Arabic word are joined together. What's the point here? We know that the Arabic letters like Alif, Ba, Ta, and Ta, that we know like this, like this is Hamza, this is Ba, this is Ta. Okay, these letters in this form are called isolated forms. What does that mean? It means that when we write down any Arabic word, okay, we will not use these forms, but these forms are joined together, okay, are joined together. So for example, if we write down the word qamar, okay, so we will write down the word qamar, we have three letters, qaf, mim, and ra. Okay, we will not write the word qamar in this way using the isolated forms. So what we will do, we will join these letters together. So we write down this word in this way. We will write qaf in the initial form, and we will write mim in the middle form, and we will write ra in the final form. So you understand from this, and you can guess from this, that all letters have initial forms, middle forms, and final forms. And this is the point here, that we have these forms because when we write down any word, the letters are joined together. We will not use the isolated forms. Okay, so later inshallah in this course, we, after knowing the isolated forms, we will know how to write down each letter in the initial form, in the middle form, and in the final forms, so that you can understand all these forms. Okay, so there is another point here that's related to this second question, which is that there is no such thing as capital letters and small letters as in English. So in Arabic, all letters have the same size, okay? So the third question we have here in this page and in this introduction is Arabic spelling easy or difficult? Okay, so let's check the answer. So Arabic spelling is phonetic, unlike English spelling. And we discussed this point in the last episode, which is Arabic spelling is phonetic, which means each letter is written is pronounced. So there is no silent letters, there is no letters, there are many that has many sounds, or that have many sounds like in English, okay? So Arabic spelling is phonetic. If you want more details about this point, you can check out the last episode as we discussed these points in great detail. Okay, so the fourth question we have in this introduction, and this is the last question by the way, is Arabic letters or Arabic sounds have counterparts in English? And the surprise and the answer is most Arabic sounds have counterparts in English, except few, some sounds and letters that's not found in English, and others not found in any other language other than Arabic, like the letter dot. So if you know this, you will understand to which extent it will be easy to learn Arabic language if you can speak English, or if you know the points of articulation in English. So this is one of the points that make learning Arabic reading easy. And even if you, for you as an English speaker, and even if you don't know an English and you can speak English, also we'll discuss points of articulation in detail, and you'll find that easy to learn Arabic letters and Arabic sounds. Yes. So as we finished this introduction to the Arabic alphabet letters, from the next episode inshallah we will start explaining all Arabic alphabet letters, starting by alif, ba, ta, and tha. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want a qualified Arabic reading tutor, we can provide you with that. Also, you can scan this code to download our app. Your support helps us to continue. See you inshallah next episode.
Shaykhi Academy Learn and enjoy.